The manly thing after marriage is how longer you can satisfy her on the bed. This is not true always. There are men suffering from premature ejaculation, impotency and erectile dysfunction problems. They hide these issues, as they do not wish to discuss with a doctor or their spouse. It is advisable to take natural libido booster pills as home treatment. The allopathic spray and medicines for sexual enhancement for men are harmful, even though they give instant results. It is advisable to consume Masti capsules, which are the best libido enhancer pills for men in Ayurveda. How to increase male libido by herbal remedies. The natural libido booster pills are the best as they are herbs. The below-mentioned herbs are popular for male wellness in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha Withania somnifera. Shilajit Sudhs faltum Punjabinum. Safed Musli Asparagus adscendens. Badari Kantpuraria tuberosa. Masti capsules have the above-mentioned herbs in tight proportion. It makes your male genital nerve stronger, improves good blood supply and you can get harder erection for a longer time. Major causes of low libido in men. The modern lifestyle is one of the major causes affecting those men living in the cities. There are also other causes, which is listed below. Men consuming junk food daily can become obese, which lead to impotency in the later stage. A man with the diabetics will have very low libido. There are many illegal libido enhancer pills for men available in the underground market. It will make you impotent as side effects of that medicine. The men suffering from neuropathy will not be able to get proper erection on the needed time. The allopathic medication for a longer duration can lead to male dysfunction. This is one of the side effects of those medicines. Natural supplements for happy married life. The premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction are common to see with the newly married men. This may be due to physiological reason for few weeks. If this condition is for longer time, you have to take the natural libido booster pills to satisfy your wife. Masti capsules are the best to consume to increase sexual enhancement for men. You have to consume the libido enhancer pills for men in the below-mentioned directions. You must consume the natural libido booster pills for 12 to 16 weeks to last longer in bed naturally. You can consume Masti capsules daily twice in the morning and night after a meal. The herbal pill for sexual enhancement for men will work if you consume them without any break. The herbal libido enhancer pills for men will work when you keep away from alcohol and smoking. Too much hand practice will also make your genital nerve weak and taking this herbal pill will not give better result. This is herbal remedy and does not make any withdrawal effect. You can consume any other medicine by giving an hour gap before consuming the Masti capsules. Masti capsules are natural libido booster pills in Ayurveda. You can buy this product online as non-prescription remedies. You can find more details about Masti capsules at naturogain.com. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update.